How to use Anchor on Binance for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Anchor, which is a Web3 application. So let's get into it. Now, Anchor has their native token as well, but before we get into the token, we are going to discuss what the Web2 journey really is like with Anchor, what this basically means, and what the platform and the potential growth for this platform is. So what is Anchor? Well, Anchor is a Web3 infrastructure provider that helps developers in developing decentralized applications and stakers to easily interact with the blockchain. You can access APIs and RPCs to build your decentralized applications easily and stake on Anchor and get custom solutions for your blockchain enterprise needs. And it is a cross-chain and a multi-chain opportunity with different options as well. So how does the actual decentralized node infrastructure work on Anchor? Well, they have a decentralized infrastructure that benefits DeFi platforms, NFT projects, blockchain games, and other kinds of decentralized applications with high performance independent nodes that are the world serving requests, meaning of all these applications can receive more faster and scalable and affordable access to the blockchain. And if you are a person that has set up a blockchain node, you can easily do that as well. If you need a node, then you also can access a node that is present within your continent or anywhere else as well. And they also have premium API and RPC endpoints for developers, and they also have a liquid staking, which means a common decentralized finance issue is losing liquidity when you stake funds. In addition to offering staking, you can also offer it across multiple chains, and also it provides you with reward earning tokens. You can use these to represent the new liquid staking tokens to trade or use in your DeFi. And the Anchor platform also has their own token, which a lot of you might be here for today, the Anchor token. But before we get into that, you can take a look at their website over here. So you can stake and earn with Anchor staking products. You also have your Web2 game to the next level of Anchor's Web3 tools to develop your own gaming platforms. And you can see that they have a lot of codes for developers. You can write code in the Ethereum, Solana, Phantom, Celo, Optimism, Polygon blockchains with the Anchor system. Now, if we take a look at the multi-chain future, they provide you a chain neutral service, and they also have interseparable services connecting and bridging as many ecosystems as possible with a decentralized function. So that is a lot about the Anchor company, the Anchor Web3 infrastructure. What is the Anchor coin like? Well, on this platform, they have created their native coin called ANKR as well by the same name. The Anchor coin is presently ranked at 120 in the overall list of coins according to CoinMarketCap. It is present on over 200k watch lists. The overall price for Anchor presently is $0.02613, and it went down 1.98%. But that is because BTC and Ethereum also went down today, so that is a reflection of that. But the overall market cap for Anchor is around over 200 million. The fully diluted market cap is around 261 million. The 24-hour trading volume for Anchor is 16 million, over 16 million, and the circulating supply, which is astonishingly higher as compared to other tokens as well, is 8.16 billion Anchor, and the maximum supply or total supply is 10 billion Anchor. So it is probably one of the most highly diluted currencies that is present out there. And you can see if we scroll down over here, the price of Anchor dipped a lot today. It went down to 0.2496, and then it went back up to a safer price level of 0.0267. And if we take a look at the monthly graph, which is actually illustrative of the price of a actual token, you can see that it has a relatively stable chart. It's not going up, but it's not going down. But if we take a look at the yearly chart over here, overall this year, it was relatively stable. It has decreased right now. This can also be considered for the overall economic recession that the world is going in. That is a reflection of this as well. So you might not actually be able to see any kind of growth in Anchor in the near future, or any decrease in Anchor as well. Anchor is one of those stable tokens that is going to show you guys a long-term steady stable coin. That is what the expectations for Anchor have been for now, that is. Now, if we take a look at the yearly chart, we can see that overall from year to date, it has a relatively stable chart, and the yearly chart is really indicative of what the price potential for this is. The highest price for this token went up to 0.17, and then currently it is at 0.026. So you can see that the potential for this token, a relatively stable price for this token, was around 0.09, and I do think that in the near future this token is going to recover back to 0.09 or 0.08 from 0.02, and that is going to be 2xing or even more. It's 2 to 5xing your money. So if you invest around 10k in ANKR right now, you could potentially make it 30 to 40k in the future as well. Now you might be wondering that, okay, how do I actually purchase ANKR, and what platforms is it available on? It's very simply available on Binance, but you cannot do a direct crypto buy with your credit card or your bank deposit. You're going to go into credit/debit card, and you can go ahead and buy BNB, which is Binance's native token, and you can buy some Binance tokens and then trade those tokens for ANKR via a spot trade over here. So you cannot actually do a direct trade for ANKR presently on Binance, but you can easily do a spot trade. You can enter the amount of ANKR and the amount of BTC or USDT, whatever you might have available to trade as well. So that is totally up to you. You can choose whatever you want for that. That is to your own as well. You can see you can trade ANKR for BNB, you can trade ANKR for BUSD, USDT, or BTC. The choice is totally up to you. If we take a look at ANKR for BNB, you can see that there are a lot of options available. You can just enter the amount of money. Let's say you have bought 89 BNB, then you can trade it for ANKR, or you can enter the amount of ANKR that you want, or enter the amount of total BNB that you have that you want to trade for the ANKR that you want. So it is a good token to buy. It has a lot of potential, and the overall growth is going to be relatively stable. It's not going to triple or triple in price very soon, but it is going to recover around to 0.06. That is the prediction for most people in this coin. In general, the crypto platform for Web3 development, for the infrastructure for developers, is very secure with ANKR, and that is a factor that is going to help in the better price development of ANKR. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now better able to understand what the ANKR platform is all about, what the ANKR development is all about, and how you can get started with your own crypto journey using ANKR. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you find that the ANKR token might not be a suitable token for you, make sure to check out our other videos on other cryptocurrencies and crypto tokens as well, to make sure to find the best fit for you. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I would help you out as soon as I possibly can, and I will catch you guys in the next video.